Today I'm going to show you how to quickly open an avocado. This avocado is very, very ripe. You can see by the very dark color. I'm going to grab my knife, and what you want to do is just go all the way around, turn as you press, and then you can open it up, and then you're going to see the little pit inside. Just take your knife, give it a little whack, and then turn it, and the little seed should just pop right out. And that's how easy it is to open an avocado and get that large seed out of there. Now, if your avocado is not very, very ripe, you can take a knife and you can do that crisscross action. Then you grab the avocado like this and you push with your thumbs, you flip it inside out, and all of the pieces will come off. However, my avocado is very, very ripe, and the only thing I need is a spoon. Grab your spoon and just go right around, one shot, and pull the whole thing out just like that. And there we have it. That's how easy it is to remove the meat from your avocado skin. That's it for this video. I'll see you next time.